S'informer sur un produit means to get informed on a product. This is a conversation between a seller and a buyer, a seller and a client. Le vendeur means a seller. Le client means a buyer. Now, accueillir, saluer. Accueillir, to welcome. Saluer, to greet. Le vendeur says, bonjour, vous désirez. Means good morning, what do you desire? Le client will respond, bonjour. Pour demander un produit, to ask about a product. Je cherche. Je cherche means I'm looking for. Like you can say I'm looking for a pen. You can say je cherche un stylo. Je voudrais. Je voudrais means I would like. When you want to say I would like an ice cream, please. Je voudrais. Vous avez means do you have. Do you have. In this case, do you have means you can ask, do you have a pen? Do you have ice cream? Vous avez. That's why there is a question mark. Now, pour informer sur le produit, for informing about a product, it's now the job of le vendeur. Le vendeur will ask to you, he will tell you, nous avons. Because previously you ask him, vous avez, he will say, nous avons, means we have. Voici. Voici means here it is.